Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope every one of you doing good. Today we're going to make a string bag with the help of a net sheet. The things that you require will be a net sheet. The height is going to be 12.5 inches and the width is going to be 7.5. A golden string, a ribbon with 1/2 inch width, a magnet, and you need 2 pieces of a net which is going to have a height of 5 inches and the width of 1.5 inches to attach it on the side. Okay, let's start with the making of the string bag. So now we're going to start with the horizontal and vertical lines, and that's how we have to cover the entire sheet. So we start with sewing the vertical lines and horizontal lines. So now here I finished with the vertical line. Now I'm going to start with the horizontal line. So same manner we are going to continue with vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal through the entire net sheet. Okay. Let's attach both the pieces. Now we will stitch the corners from all the side. I have already done. So we have to stitch the corners, and then we are going to attach the magnet, 2 magnets on both the sides. Okay. Let's do that and come back. We've attached the magnet here. Now we'll be putting the string and a metal charm, and we are good to go. Ready with the metal charm. That's the magnet inside, and we have the chain, and here we go.